It was 4:30 in the morning, and we were at the Logan Airport heading to Miami via American Airlines, where we would fly to Haiti the next morning.
What's up?
Yo, what's up?
Not too much.
Way to Haiti. We arrived in Miami at 9:35. So we're gonna be in Haiti tomorrow morning. You know what I mean? Covering the what's going on in the country about the cholera and also the presidential election. So we're gonna be covering all that. Stay tuned. Watch more. Yeah. Right back.
About 8 years ago, I would just grab a calendar and randomly pick a travel day to the Dominican Republic with my friend Miguel, just so we could breathe some fresh air in the Caribbean islands and to make new friends. However, this time it was not with Miguel, and the destination wasn't the Dominican Republic restaurant.
Hi, I'm with my brother and you're watching on camera. We are on our way to Haiti. It's Sunday. We just flew from Miami and we're on our way to Haiti. It's sunny, the weather is nice. We're going to be covering the election, presidential election in Haiti, and also about cholera that is killing a lot of people in Haiti by big numbers. So stay tuned.
Early the next morning, we were up in the air, eager to touch down the soil of what used to be at one point La Hispaniola. Haiti is an Indian word for mountainous land or high mountain. Cruising with the altitude of over 28,000 miles above ground, the captain already started to unfeather the plane's descent, while those of us who sat at the windows were enjoying the blanket of the mountains serving as the country's walls and protection from occasional hurricanes. It was 6 days before the presidential election in Haiti. Jonas, David, and myself were in Haiti to cover the most popular candidate during the rest of his campaign, all the way through the election day, which was on Sunday, November 28, 2010 for On Camera. Arriving in Port-au-Prince, after getting off the plane, we were a bit shocked to see we didn't have to walk on the pavement in the sun nor in the rain, because American Airlines has built a gate just like the ones here in the States that connects to the aircraft. Being happy with the apparent improvement, we were once more shocked when we learned that we still had to go outside and took a bus that would drive us to customs entrance where we will check in. Despite the cholera epidemic and the damages caused by the January 12 earthquake, many visitors found a way to visit Haiti, unlike many Haitian natives who have left their country for many years and are afraid to come home. Outside the airport, not only we could feel the intense heat, but we will also find a sea of people hustling and bustling to make ends meet. It was noticeable that the earthquake had strongly shaken the airport, where we could see part of its cracked concrete, as part of it was unavailable for services. There, we will find my cousin awaiting us in order to go home. The airport that we all grew up to know as the Duvalier International Airport has been changed to Toussaint Louverture International Airport during the Jean-Bertrand Aristide's presidency. A series of unconstitutional wrongdoing by former President Aristide. The airport is situated in Haiti. Early the next morning, we were up in the air, eager to touch down the soil of what used to be at one point La Hispaniola. Haiti is an Indian word for mountainous land or high mountain. State employees in Haiti don't usually get paid well, and they often have a hard time collecting their paycheck from the government. This police officer's car was running out of gas, and the department would provide him with fuel not until 2 days later. So my colleague and I pitched in to help out. In no way that this police vehicle would pass inspection.
Bon, Jason, dis-moi, si on pense que Haïti il y a un problème que Haïti a mené en première.
Bon, Haïti ça, ça me pense là, nous besoin un bon président pour venir diriger le pays ça. Nous fatigués et l'État volé. Non, mais peuple haïtien.
The people's voice is loud and clear. They've had enough, and now they want change. Touring Haiti is an hour-and-a-half documentary that can bring you a bit closer to the first black nation that revolted from slavery. We came to Haiti to participate in a movement for change. On camera, touring Haiti, now available on DVD. To order, call the following numbers.